In this video we're going to demonstrate how the new report server can dramatically improve the performance of reports in a web application. So in this artificially constructed scenario here, you can see that we have three separate browser windows that are executing an A5W page that is simply making an AJAX callback to the server and incrementing a counter. So the windows on the left are designed to show how responsive the application server is at any given point in time. Then you see in the center of the screen two browsers displaying tabbed UIs, and inside these tabbed UIs we have buttons that print reports. So currently the report server is disabled, so we're going to show now what happens when the user clicks a button to print a very long running report. What you'll see is that because the report takes a long time to print, in this case I think our report is going against a table of 10,000 rows, so it's got a lot of pages in the report, you'll see that the three windows on the left hand side stop responding while the report is being printed. And then if another user in another session clicks a button to print another report, this time say a very short report that would normally print very quickly, you'll see that that report won't actually display in his window until the first report has actually finished printing. So let's go ahead now and print the long-running report. So we'll click the customer list button, and now the second user will click his button to print the customer summary list. So what you can see now is that the three windows on the left have stopped responding and that the browsers are waiting for a response. Then when the long-running report finished, then the short-running report, which would now only print after the long-running report has finished, it appeared, and now the three browser windows have resumed responding. So what we showed in this window is that a long-running report causes the application server to start starving the responsiveness of other users. So now let's go and rerun this exact same test, but this time with the report server enabled, and we have the report server now running on multiple cores. So you can see now that on the left hand side the counters are incrementing nicely, indicating that those three pages are being serviced in a timely manner by the application server. And so now let's basically have user number one kick off his long running report and user number two kick off his short running report. So what you see there is user two's report has now displayed long before the first long running report completed, and the counters in the left hand windows continued to increment nicely during the entire duration of the long running report. So what we've shown here is how the report server can dramatically improve the throughput of your application, especially when there are reports being printed. Thanks very much for watching.